Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Shopify Admin, open Products, and pick the item you'll change. Once there, add an option named Color. This is the fundamental, only way to link colors to variants. Make sure you already have one image file per color and clear, consistent color names. Now create variants for each color entry. If you have many, use the CSV import or bulk editor to speed creation. This step builds the variant structure that everything else will attach to. Once your variants exist, assign the matching image to each variant so the storefront shows the right color when selected. You do this in the variant row. Choose image, confirm SKU and inventory, and set any price adjustments. If you're editing many items, export a CSV, add image URLs and variant data, then re-import. This prevents manual errors. Make sure variant option text exactly matches image labels to avoid mismatches. When done, save and preview. Finalizing requires theme integration. Go to online store themes, customize and enable color swatches, or set the product media to swap on variant selection. Once enabled, preview the product on desktop and mobile. Click each color and confirm the image and price update. If something fails, make sure your option is exactly named color, variant images are assigned, and cached files are cleared. If the theme lacks swatches, use image swapping on selection as the reliable fallback. That is the effective, only way to show colors correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.